Hello, my name is Clara Matis Tumorang. I want to explain the material about international trading and investment. International trading and investment describe the movement of money, goods, services, and ownership across international borders. Both activity allow people and companies to look beyond their home market for opportunity. The opportunity growth and protection against local downturns. While they share the same global stage, they are driven by different motivation, time frames, and methods. Understanding how each work and they how it interact is essential for anyone who wants to participate in the way where economy that now stretch across continents. Trading on international level is primarily about exchange, a trade watch price of goods, raw material companies serve from different countries and contracts tied to future delivery. The aim is to buy at one price and sell at another, capturing the difference as profit because information now travel instantly. Price react within seconds to new data about employment, inflation, weather that affects crop or tension between country trades, therefore live in short window of time. A position may be opened and closed in minutes, hours, and or days. Success depends on reading patterns, managing the risk of loss in every trade, and controlling emotion when markets move sharply. The apparel of international trading lies in this flexibility. A person can participate from almost anywhere, and their market for major currencies never fully sleeps. At the same time, the span and the levers available mean that mistakes are punished quickly and capital disappears as fast as it was made. Investment across borders takes a different route as investor commits money to asset in another country, with the expectation that value will grow over years, not days. This cloud means of buying shares of a company listed on a foreign stock exchange, lending and of government by purchasing its bonds, putting money into property local in another city, or building factory abroad. The logic is built on a long-term forces. Population in some regions are young and growing with support consumption for decades. Other countries lead in current technologies, giving their company a durable advantage. Still others have natural resources that the world will need re-ratios of short-term price swings. Investors study these trends along with the stability of laws, the fairness of courts, the reliability of accounting, and the general direction of a country economy. They accept the price will rise and fall along the way, but they rely on research and patience rather than that speeds. Currency is the thread that ties trading and investment together. Every cross-border transaction ultimately involves exchanging one nation money for another's. When the trader buys a foreign currency hoping it will strengthen, or when an investor receives defense from a company abroad, the value of those returns depends of the exchange rate at the moment money of the convert back home. A strong result in foreign market can be reduced of or even turned into a loss in the home currency rise sharply in the meantime. Because of this, both trades and investors spend time thinking about currency movement. Some choose the protect themselves by using contracts in the lock in a rate, while others expect the movement as another source of risk and opportunity. Risk in the international arena comes in many forms. Price risk in the obvious, the asset can fall. Political risk is less visible, but equally important. A new law can limit how much money may be taken off the country, change how profits and tax or asset ownership in certain industry. Economic risk appears when the country growth slows, unemployment rise, or inflation erodes purchasing power. There is also operational risk, such as the failure of the broker diversity, moving money through banks, or simply the challenge of getting accurate information in a language of the does not speak. Diversification is the most common answer. By spreading activity across several countries, industry, and types of asset, the demands from any single problem is limited. Trades diversity by not betting everything on the currency. Pay or new even investor diversity by holding a mix of region and sector, so that weakness in one area be offset by strength in the another. Technology has lowered the barriers that once kept international market in the hands of the large institutions. Today, an individual can open on an account online, transfer funds, and buy shares of company headquartered thousands of miles away. News, research report, and the data that once looked they to arrive from available and in real time. Automate tools can scan market for patterns, relevance, portfolios, and they even execute trade without human intervention. This access creates opportunity but also increases responsibility. The same tools that make trading easy can encourage overtrading. The same platforms that provide global choice can overwhelm a new investor with option. Education, therefore, becomes as important as capital. Understanding how a different market behave, how codes the tax apply, and how to read financial statement prepared under different rules is part of the work. Culture and human behavior, more than numbers alone, suggest attitude toward debt, risk, negotiation, and time vary. In some places, business relationships are built slowly and personal trust matter more than a written contract. In others, speed and legal precision at price, marketing a product abroad without adapting to local tastes. In other speed and legal precision at price, marketing a product abroad without adapting to local tastes, or managing a team without respecting local customs can undermine an otherwise sound investment. Successful participants study this difference. They listen to local patterns, hire local expertise, and remain aware that what works at home may not translate directly elsewhere. The benefit of exchanging with international trading and investment are substantial. For a trader, the global market offers enhancements, liquidity, and the chance to profit in both rising and falling conditions. For an investor, it provides access to growth they may not exist domestically. They occur to those who are prepared, who respect risk, and how view the international landscape as file that reward knowledge, discipline, and adaptability. Thank you.